we'll guide you through how to import Blender model in Unity. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your computer and either create a new 3D model or select an existing model that you want to import into Unity. Carefully inspect the model and confirm that every object, texture, and material is correctly assigned before continuing. Rename the objects and meshes in Blender so they will be easier to recognize later when working inside Unity. Press Ctrl+A and apply the location, rotation, and scale settings to prevent possible import or transform problems. Remove any cameras, lights, or unused objects from the Blender scene if they are not needed for your Unity project. Save the Blender project by clicking File and selecting Save As from the menu. Choose a folder location that you can quickly access from your Unity project later during the export process. Open Unity Hub and create new Unity project by downloading the 3D template where you plan to add the Blender model. Wait for Unity to fully load the project and finish compiling any scripts before moving to the next step. In the Unity project window, locate the Assets folder because imported files should be placed there. Return to Blender and export the model by clicking File, selecting Export, and choosing FBX as the export format. In the FBX export settings, enable selected objects if you only want to export certain items from the scene. Make sure the Apply Transform option is enabled so the model keeps the correct orientation inside Unity. Select the same Assets folder from your Unity project as the export destination. Click the Export FBX button and wait for Blender to complete the export process. Go back to Unity and allow the editor a few moments to automatically detect and import the new FBX file. Find the imported model inside the project panel under the Assets folder. Finally, drag the Blender model from the project panel into the Unity scene view or hierarchy window. Then adjust the position, rotation, and scale using Unity transform tools if necessary. After placing the model in the scene, test the object by entering play mode to confirm the materials, textures, and scaling appear correctly inside the game environment. If something looks incorrect, return to Blender, make the required adjustments, export the FBX file again, and let Unity automatically update the imported model with the changes.